already out of breath and everything, but that's not the point right now. Okay, I'm Ladybug and I'm in Vel Doggs because I'm taking over his kitchen today. So yeah, let's go over there. I'll finish the introduction and everything. Come on. Hi guys, today we're making Ciabatta Burgers Ladybug Style. The only reason why everything is set up because my papa was about to make the video, so I stole his hat and his apron. Okay. I stole his hat and his apron and all that. So yeah, he's looking for it in his closet right now. So it's just, I think he heard me. I thought he heard me. So let's get into these burgers. Teleportation time. So let me put my gloves on first. So we have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we have another tablespoon of onion powder. And we have a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and yeah. We're cooking, we're cooking, we're cooking. You guys, this is taking too long, like the seasoning. So I decided we're just gonna magically make them done. Shh, I think I heard them. So now let's move on to the next thing. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna take off my gloves, get some new one, and cut up the bread. BRB. So now that we have clean gloves, we're gonna cut up the bread now. Done. So I'm gonna go and cut the rest, and I'll be back. Shh, I think I heard him again. Okay. So you have to have it on medium to get a good cook. So you want the top right there all across and like the bottom down here all across. Then we go get some more bread. So now we have the bread on the toaster and we're gonna let it toast and toast until it gets brown. It's brown! So we're gonna finish browning the rest up. So you want it that brown. So the bread is done toasting, so we're gonna do the bacon.
What's this I smell? I smell, what's going on? Who in here cooking? Ladybug. Girl, didn't I tell you about cooking up in my kitchen?
No.
Huh? Girl, what you doing with the bacon?
Been bacon.
And what happened to all my other stuff out here?
I was cooking.
Oh my goodness. You should have told me first before you start cooking because this stuff is not to be played with all the
But
time,
I already
okay?
knew you was gonna say no.
Well, you can't do that, okay? Alright? So, since you did it anyway, I'm going to have to take over, okay? But you can help me, okay? Alright? Don't be looking at me like that, or you get a knuckle sandwich. Alright. So you got the stove on and everything. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with this bacon since Ladybug and took over my kitchen.
It's called Ladybug's Kitchen now. Don't get popped.
You got popped. Alright. I'm going to let that fry up.
And I will talk to you guys.
She done did my burgers and everything. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take these over there. In there while the bacon's cooking. So guys, we're back. I just got done doing these hamburgers. Put some cheddar on them joints. And they're gonna be tasting real good. What you think, Ladybug?
I think so.
I think you did an awesome job. What did you name these?
Yeah, Ladybug Ciabatta Burgers.
Ciabattas. Okay, Ciabatta Burgers, because these are Ciabatta rolls right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these together. And guys, stay tuned in. We'll be right back with Ladybug and Vel Doggs Kitchen.
This is the finishing touch of the Ladybug Ciabatta Burger. If you like watching us make delicious meals like this in our kitchen, please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you really liked it, if you subscribe, there's a post notification button right by it. Please click that. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time at Vel Doggs Kitchen. Bye.